My name is Clara Samaha and I grew up between France and Lebanon. In Lebanon, hospitality isn't an industry, it's a way of being. I've always been exposed to different cultures, languages, and perspectives. I worked in luxury hotels in Paris, where I learned excellence, precision, and attention to detail. And in Florida, it was more a dynamic, high-energy approach to hospitality. Operation taught me humility and discipline, but I wanted to think bigger than operation and execution. I wanted to think more strategically, and that's why I'm pursuing a 16-month program across Lausanne, Hong Kong, and Houston. This program gave me a 360-degree vision on leadership, strategy, innovation, and finance. Each location brings a different mindset. Lausanne builds strong fundamentals and structure. Hong Kong exposes you to speed, scale, and innovation. Houston emphasizes entrepreneurship and ambition. Experiencing all three gives you a broader understanding of how hospitality evolves globally. I realized the future of hospitality isn't coming, it's already here. Hospitality isn't just service anymore, it's culture and sensitivity. It's designing experiences to people from different cultures and bringing them into your world. It means leading diverse teams with empathy. What I love most about each city is that they all gave me something different. In Lausanne, I loved the strong fundamentals and the structure, and forming a bond with my cohort. In Hong Kong, I loved seeing hospitality from a completely different angle. Faster, more innovative, shaped by rapidly growing markets. In Houston, I loved the access to hospitality leaders and the confidence of the American mindset. Being in such an international cohort forced me to step back and become more aware. I realized that everyone sees the world through their own experiences, and that true leadership begins with empathy. I always wanted an international career. Now I feel ready for it. Beyond academics, it's the network and relationships across 3 continents that give me confidence for the future. You don't graduate alone, you graduate connected. When I chose this program, I wasn't choosing a degree, I was choosing a journey. You don't just study this program, you live it.